in a bizarre and puzzling phenomenon. Residents across multiple cities worldwide have reported hearing strange music emanating from the sky. The unexplained sounds described as ethereal, haunting, and unlike any known instruments. This has sparked confusion and curiosity with the social media, flooded with videos and posts of people trying to capture the strange sounds. As the eerie melodies continue to echo across the skies with no clear explanation, officials are advising caution. While there's no immediate danger, the source and the intent of this strange phenomenon remain unknown.